Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Robinhood for account verification, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with Robinhood for account verification, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Log into your existing account using your correct credentials, including your email and password. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account and follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or verification section of the app or website. Here, you will see options for account verification. Click on the prompt to begin the verification process. Robinhood will typically require you to verify your identity using a government-issued ID. Prepare to upload a clear image or scan of your ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure that the photo is well lit and shows all corners of the ID clearly. After uploading your ID, you may be asked to take a selfie for facial recognition verification. Position your face within the designated area and follow the instructions to capture a clear image. Once your ID and selfie are uploaded, the system will process your information. This may take several minutes, so be patient as Robinhood verifies your identity. In some cases, additional documentation may be required, such as proof of residence. If prompted, upload the necessary documents and ensure they are clear and legible. Monitor your email for any notifications from Robinhood regarding the status of your verification. If approved, you will receive a confirmation email, and your account will be fully verified. In the event of any issues during the verification process, refer to the help section within the app for guidance. You can also contact Robinhood support for assistance if needed. Once verified, you will be able to access all features and trading options available on the platform. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Following these steps ensures a smooth and secure authentication process with Robinhood. You are now ready to start trading confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.